But this channel is getting 1 million views per month, literally just putting text on a screen. This is absolutely crazy. Hey, what's up everybody? Matt here, helping you guys make money online. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a super cool strategy on how you can make money on YouTube utilizing super simple videos that you can make in under 10 minutes. Real quick, before we get into the strategy today, I just wanted to share with you guys that I recently received a gold play button from YouTube for one of my channels recently hitting 1 million subscribers. I thought that would be pretty cool to share with you guys. And on the screen as well, I actually have a screenshot of the earnings that one of my channels has produced just so far in 2019. And that's just one of my channels, guys. I actually run 9 separate YouTube channels that each generate income for me every month. But just to show you guys, because I thought this was pretty cool, here's actually the gold play button from YouTube. I thought you guys would think that's pretty cool. And I also have another silver play button coming. I already have several silver play buttons as well, but I have another one coming in the mail very soon, and I'll be happy to share with you guys when it does come. But I think you guys are going to find this strategy super cool and super helpful. And really quick, before I show you guys this strategy, I also wanted to announce that I'm going to actually be holding a live training for completely free that you can register to down at the first link in the description. I'm going to be showing you guys a new tactic on how to make money on YouTube. You guys are going to find it super helpful, so if you want to register for this completely free training teaching you how to make money on YouTube, just click the first link down in the description, and I'm going to be holding the training in a few days. I'm super excited for that, and make sure you register, guys, because this is only a one-time thing. I'm not going to be doing another training like this again. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. So now I wanted to share with you guys some YouTube channels that are actually making a lot of money uploading these super simple videos that are so easy to make, guys. I honestly cannot believe that I found these channels, because as you guys know, I actually run 9 separate YouTube channels in which I pay people to make all the content for those channels. And the videos that I produce on those channels are like top 10 videos, top 5 videos, videos of that nature. But I recently came across a couple channels that I think you guys are going to be super interested in, and that are actually making a lot of money compared to how much work they're actually putting into each video. So here is the first channel here. It is called Tip Top Top Tip. As you can see, the name doesn't even really make sense, but it has 80,000 subscribers. And as you can see here, if we click on the videos here, the videos are so simple. So as you guys can see, they're just like motivational and inspirational quotes. Number 7, how to think outside of the box. Just videos of that nature. And if we actually click one of the videos here, you can see all they have is some royalty-free music playing in the background of these videos, and it says psychological quotes, and it does one. There's no talking at all on any of these videos, but it literally just shows different psychological and inspirational, motivational quotes, things of that nature. And this channel is getting 14,000 views per day on average. As you can see, Social Blade shows the estimates right here of how much this channel is making as well. And Social Blade estimates that this channel is making between $100 and $2,000 per month making these super simple videos. So if you guys want a tactic on how to get out there and start generating money, if you haven't generated any money with YouTube at all yet, this just goes to show how simple of videos you can make and still get a lot of views on them. So you might be saying, like, this video only has 16,000 views. So if we go back actually to their channel and sort by the most popular videos here, their most popular video uploaded 11 months ago has 2.1 million views, and it's titled Best Unknown Psychology Facts, and it's literally just text on a black screen. That is how easy of videos you can make and still get a lot of views on YouTube. Now, I'm not saying that you can just go out there and make these super simple videos and guaranteed get a lot of views. There are tactics that go into ranking your videos and that go into actually getting the views the legit way. Because I see a lot of YouTube channels out there promoting softwares to artificially increase your views and things of that nature. Guys, never do any of that. You are setting yourself up for your channel to get deleted if you do any of that. I have friends who have done tactics like that, and their YouTube channels have been shut down. You could have a channel making like $10,000 a month and have it shut down the next day. So guys, never artificially increase your views using softwares or anything else like that. There are secrets to the YouTube algorithm that nobody else talks about, that I have learned by talking with other YouTubers with millions of subscribers and myself from running 9 different YouTube channels, one of which has over 1 million subscribers, another of which has over 500,000 subscribers, and many, many more. I can tell you for a fact that there are ways of getting views on your YouTube videos that nobody else talks about. So this is just one channel that I wanted to show you guys. Here is another channel called Daily Motive Web, doing pretty much the exact same thing. And if we click their Social Blade statistics right here, as you guys can see, this channel is getting around 50,000 views per day, up to 500 subscribers a day around, and they're making between $500 and $7,000 per month. Now, there's a lot of things that go into this number on Social Blade and this estimate. So Social Blade gives the same estimate for every single type of YouTube channel, but that is not actually how YouTube works. Certain niches make more money than other niches on YouTube. Niches like the tech niche and like the make money online niche get paid much more per 1,000 views than niches like, say, top 5 and top 10 videos. However, if you get a lot of views on top 5 and top 10 videos, like some other channels that I run, I get millions of views per video on those channels, and that equates to a lot of money. Even though I'm only getting paid like $3 per 1,000 views, when you have 15 million views on a video, that equates to a lot of money. So you guys might be thinking, what do the actual videos look like? So if we just click on one of the videos, actually let's go to the videos and let's sort by the most popular on this given channel. So as you guys can see, their most popular video has 700,000 views and was uploaded 1 year ago, and it's titled Important Life Lessons You Must Learn Before It's Too Late. So it's an eye-grabbing title, it gets people to click the video, and if we actually put up the volume here, as you guys can hear, just royalty-free music, and they literally just put together one of these videos, probably in iMovie or Windows Movie Maker, and it's literally just text on a screen. I honestly could not believe it when I found these channels, guys. And like I was saying, regarding how much money that these channels make, between $400 and $7,000 per month, I can tell you from experience, now this is not guaranteed that these channels are making this much, but from my personal experience, I would estimate that this channel is making around $5,000 per month, given the niche that this channel is in, and given the types of videos that they're making. So now here is another channel doing the exact same thing called Time Waste Top 10s, and it's literally just text on a screen, guys. These videos are so simple to make. You can get a completely free video editor such as HitFilm, or if you have a Mac, you can use iMovie or Windows Movie Maker if you're on a PC, and you can make these super simple videos, and these get way more views and generate way more money than I would have ever guessed. So as you can see, this channel is getting around 30,000 views per day, and here's another channel doing the exact same thing called Health Apta. This channel actually has over 170,000 subscribers on it, and as you can see, it is verified on YouTube, so this means they have actually received a silver play button from their channel. And there's no talking on this channel, it's literally just text on a screen with royalty-free music in the background. As you guys can see, with this channel, making between $700 and $12,000 per month from this single channel, getting around 60 to 70,000 views per day from this single YouTube channel. So I would estimate that since this is in the health niche, which is generally a higher CPM niche, I would estimate that this channel is making around $8,000 to $12,000 per month. Is probably on the higher end of the Social Blade estimated earnings. Now, one of the reasons this channel is so successful is if we go to their videos right here, as you guys can see, they're uploading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos per day. Now, you might be thinking, 10 videos a day is a lot. How in the world could I ever make 10 videos a day? First of all, these videos are super simple to make. All they require is that you put together a slideshow in like Google Slides or PowerPoint. You don't even have to have a video editor to make these types of videos. So you can make these videos in probably under 10 minutes each. You literally just write out text on the screen. So if you're making 10 videos a day and each one takes around 10 minutes to make, that's only about 2 hours a day working on these videos. And also, once you grow to a point in which you're making enough money from your YouTube channel, you can actually outsource the content creation of these videos on a place like Upwork or on a place like Fiverr. You can pay people to make the videos for you, and that's actually what I do on my most popular channels. On my channel with over 1 million subscribers, I actually pay people to generate the content and make the videos for me. Alright guys, so now here's another channel doing the exact same thing called Knowledge Detection, and as you guys can see, this channel doesn't show how many subscribers they have. However, we can click their Social Blade statistics and we can see how many views they're getting. So this channel is getting around 40 to 90,000 views per day, making between $300 and $5,000 a month. And what's really shocking about this YouTube channel is that it hasn't uploaded a video in 4 months. Doing the exact same thing, simply text on a screen, no voiceover whatsoever. These videos are so easy to make. So if we click on one of the videos right here, as you guys can see, human nature psychology facts. And look at how small the text actually is on the screen, just with royalty-free music in the background. And they literally just show all these different little psychology facts. And if you were to do this, guys, never just copy and paste text from a website and then put it in your video. Always reword it into your own words so you never get any type of copyright infringement whatsoever. That will enable these videos to be completely yours. So this channel hasn't uploaded in 4 months, and they're still getting, just today, this channel has gotten 80,000 views just so far today. I would estimate that's around $100 they've made just today from this given YouTube channel. So you guys might be wondering, Matt, would you recommend making these types of videos, and would you recommend doing this if I'm just starting with YouTube? And my answer would actually be no. I have to be honest with you guys that you can increase the chances for getting views on your YouTube videos much more by actually putting in a little bit more work on every video, doing a voiceover on the video. I mean, if you simply do a voiceover on top of these videos, or hire somebody on Fiverr for simply $5 to do a voiceover on your videos, and you can do this same type of format, put this text on the screen, do a voiceover on top of the video, that's going to increase your audience engagement, that's going to increase your average audience retention, which is how long somebody watches your video on average, and it's going to give you an edge on these channels that are literally just putting music on their videos when there's somebody talking. And if you want to go the extra mile, you can even do what I'm doing right here and have a webcam connected to your computer and show yourself in like the bottom right hand screen of the video. But this channel is getting 1 million views per month, literally just putting text on a screen. This is absolutely crazy. I could not believe it when I found this channel, and I was so excited to share with you guys because I wanted to see what you guys thought about this. Like I said in the beginning of this video, guys, I'm going to be holding a completely free live YouTube training showing you some of the secrets I use to grow on YouTube and get more views on your videos, and some of the best niches that you can possibly make videos in, as well as a completely new strategy that I've never taught before on how to make money on YouTube. Make sure you register for this completely free live training. It'll be the first link down in the description. You guys are going to get a ton of value from it, and I'm only doing this once. I'm not going to do it again. The training is going to be in a couple days, so make sure you register right now so you don't miss out when I actually hold this live training. In the training, you'll be able to ask me questions live and get my feedback live so I can further help you guys in making money on YouTube. This is your chance to learn from someone who's built multiple successful 6-figure YouTube channels and who has the stats and the play button to back it up. So guys, if you're interested, make sure you register. First link in the description. I really look forward to seeing you guys there. I'm only doing this once. Make sure you register, and I'll see you there.